Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fizik Zuddin and my friend is Muhammad Daniel, Muhammad Fafidaus Hazmi and Ada Azai. We are from group Django and we will present about our project Clash of Class. For introduction, the Gamified Learning App project seems to transform the educational space by solving the shortcoming of the current system. Traditional learning environments are frequently deficient in terms of engagement, personalization, and effective information retention. The project also acknowledged the need for a new system that uses gamification to build an interesting, personalized, and effective learning platform. And the next one is software process model. We intended to choose agile software because since the agile software development process approach is ideal for creating a gamified learning app that leverages some game elements to increase user engagement and make learning more interesting and exciting. In agile process model, we have six criteria, which six process, which is the first one is requirement. The development team collaborates closely with stakeholders such as instructional designer, subject matter experts, and game designer together and analyze the gamified learning app requirement. The second one is design, which is development team build the design and prototype for the gamified learning app. Designing the user interface, user experience, game mechanic, and overall gameplay are all part of this. The next one is development. Development team begins building the gamified learning app iteratively and incrementally. The fourth one is testing. The gamified learning software is rigorously tested and quality is assured throughout the development process to discover and fix any bugs, glitches, or usability concerns. The next one is deployment. After fully testing and refining the gamified learning app, it is delivered to the target platform. And the last one is maintenance. To be current and relevant, the gamified learning software requires continual maintenance and support such as bug patches, upgrades, and addition. I think that's all for me, and I will pass to the next person.
Thank you, Brother Hafiz, for the presentation. My name is Muhammad Daniel bin Muhammad Zaidi with the message number 2210917 from Group Django. And today I will be discussing about the requirement engineering phases. So in this presentation, we will go through the inception, elicitation, and the specification phases for the project. We will start off with the inception phase. So during the inception phase, we identify our stakeholder as the Chief Information Officer, which is CIO, who oversees the company's IT infrastructure. Our goal was to gather data and gain a basic understanding of the problem. We collaborated with developers to devise a solution while addressing the business risk. So next is the effectiveness. One of the key considerations for the gamified software is the effectiveness. So we need to ensure that it engages, motivates, and facilitates learning for IIM students. Effectiveness is determined by factors such as the application-specific goals, the design of the gamification elements, and the preference of the target audience. So now let's talk about the economic benefits of our gamified learning app. Firstly, it can boost user engagement, leading to greater customer loyalty and the retention rates. Additionally, it can reduce training costs by providing a more cost-effective onboarding process. Moreover, gamification can drive users to complete tasks more efficiently, resulting in increased productivity and reduced labor costs. Finally, by motivating users to take revenue-generating actions, the app can help increase the overall income and provide a competitive advantage. Moving on to the elicitation phase, we gather requirements from two key perspectives, which is the users and the customer. So our primary users are IIM students, and we developed the app based on the customer's needs. They wanted a gamification-based education system that provides an engaging and enjoyable experience while helping them achieve specific goals or objectives. To meet their expectation, we examine an example application like Khan Academy and ensure that our system structure align with their existing familiarity. So from the customer's perspective, we focus on performance, safety, and design. So our gamified software should be easy to use and intuitive, ensuring a positive user experience. We also emphasize strong security and privacy measures to protect customer data and prevent unauthorized access. Additionally, we aim for an aesthetically appealing system design that is simple to grasp and utilize. And to gather these requirements, we employed the brainstorming technique. Our stakeholders and subject matter experts came together in a facilitated session, sharing their thoughts, ideas, and insights without immediate criticism. This method allows us to generate a wide range of ideas and ensure equal participation. For the elaboration part, we've made few diagrams, such as the use case diagram consists of actor like student, teacher, and administrator. Next is the context diagram, activity diagram, and the class diagram. Finally, let's dive into the specification phase, where we define the key use case for our gamified lending app. The app has three main use cases. Firstly is the registration and login, select learning module, and complete lesson. In the user registration and login use case, the user opens up the app and is presented with a login screen. They can either register as a new user or log in if they already have an account. After validating their credentials, the app either logs them into or creates a new account, taking them to their personalized dashboard. Next, in the select learning module use case, the user opens up the app and sees their dashboard. From there, they can choose learning module from the available options. The app then displays the module's content for the users to explore. Lastly, in the complete lesson use case, the user selects a lesson from the chosen learning module. The app presents the lesson's content, which may include text, images, and videos. The user engages with the content and completes a quiz or challenge to reinforce their understanding. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Irfan Firdaus bin Muhammad Basri, and I will be taking you through the prototype of our app. So this page is the page that you will see after opening our app. Let's press on next. It will take you to the login page, and after you have entered your username and password, it will take you directly to the dashboard. As you can see here, we have three different options, which is lesson, quiz, and records. Let's go through with the lesson page first. So the lesson page, after clicking it, will bring you to the list of lecturer and the subject that they are teaching. It will also show the rating of each lecturers. So for example, if I press on Dr. Jonathan here, it will bring us to the page of his study material and his lectures. So right now I will press on the study material, and it will show us the things that Dr. Jonathan recommends you to buy in order to successfully engage in his lessons. And here we go to his lectures, and the lectures will show you the chapters and the length of the lectures of the chapters. Alright, so now let's go to the next page on the dashboard, which is the quiz. The quiz will bring you to the page where you can answer the different quizzes that are available for you. So now we go to the record page. For example, the student record, as you can see here on the date 4/1/23, the lesson that you take and the mark that you get based on the lesson on the quiz. Alright, so I think that's all for our prototype right now. Thank you. I will pass to the next presenter.